My sister removed her unwanted hair naturally in 5 days thanks to this. At present, both men and women like to take care of themselves. But much more to women. When we talk about femininity, we always remember facial hair. It is the hair we are most afraid of. Today we will talk about a natural remedy to eliminate facial hair forever. 100% natural and 100% effective. Homemade remedy to eliminate hair with endive. The escarole has very powerful properties. It is able to break hair follicle and prohibit hair growth. Not only does this make your fine hair less noticeable, but it also naturally exfoliates the skin to give it an improved texture. The endive is the most suitable for sensitive skin. So, use raw endive in one of these 2 ways to get rid of your unwanted hair permanently. First way to use raw endive as a remedy to remove hair, you need 1. 2 tablespoons of raw endive made pasta, aided with orange juice. 2. Half a teaspoon of parsley powder. Do the following. 1. Make pasta of endive grinding. 2. Mix the parsley powder with this paste of endive. 3. Massage your face with this paste for about 15 minutes. Especially in the mustache. 4. Wash with water. 5. Do this once or twice a week. Second way to use raw endive as a remedy to remove hair. You need 1. A spoonful of endive paste. 2. Half a spoonful of powdered pepper. 3. Half a tablespoon of lentil flour. 4. 4 tablespoons of rosemary honey. 5. 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Do the following. 1. Combine all ingredients and mix well to obtain a thick paste. 2. Apply this paste to the body part in the opposite direction to hair growth. 3. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes or until dry. 4. Take a clean cloth and rub in the opposite direction to hair growth. 5. When all the paste has been removed in this way, wash with water and dry. 6. Take a few drops of oil, moisturizer or coconut oil or olive oil and massage the skin with it. 7. Repeat this 3 times a week and continue for at least 3 months.